So adult Indy really likes the felted puppy toy too. Indy, okay. Yeah? Do you like your little jack-o'-lantern? Yeah? Good boy. I know you don't want me to take it. Good boy. You like your felted knit toy? Yeah. Go get it. Okay. Indy, bring it in. Good boy. Good boy. Indy, do you like your toy? Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Oh, you want me to wrestle it, huh? You don't do